Before you could use templates in CapCut while using mobile phone, but there is a new update now. You can create new templates using CapCut Windows PC or MacBook, or you can also manipulate the existing templates inside CapCut. Once you open CapCut, you will see this option here. If it doesn't appear, just go to this option here. There is a tiny option here at this bottom left corner. It's called auto captions. Once you click here, there is a template option. You can use these templates here, manipulate, edit, and edit with your own stuff, and then upload them. And you can also remove these filler words. I have dedicated tutorials on these options, but here we're gonna go for the template. Choose any of these templates and then go try now. It will open a lot of different templates, and here we go. You can use any of these templates here: trending, new year, outro, intro, memes, whatsoever the niche you need. Let's say this is a meme, and you can bring this one here and create your own meme. Instead of just going and downloading so many other memes, you can create your own. And instead of just going for the other fitness videos, let's say you create videos for TikTok. Here is a video, let's say this one. I'm gonna bring this one to my timeline, and now it says it has 52 clips. Go to this one, and here you can replace your own clips. Just go to this one. Now let's say this is a clip, and now this one as well, this one, and keep replacing these clips with your own clips, and rest of the settings are all right. You can choose rest of the settings as they are. Here we go. Now this one has my own videos. Honestly, I'm trying. All right, so these are so many clips. There are so many pictures there, so it's less than half a second, so I cannot just replace all of them, but this is what to teach you how you can edit these existing templates inside CapCut and create your own while using Windows PC and MacBook. Before you could do it only on your phone, but now you can do it on your MacBook and PC as well. If you didn't watch my video about becoming a CapCut creator to create these templates for yourself and for getting more views on TikTok, then watch the video. I have a dedicated video on how to become a CapCut template creator so that your videos will get boost and you will get popular on TikTok. I don't guarantee, but yeah, this is what CapCut says. Okay, once you edit this video, then export it, and that's it. You're good to go. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.